Today, we will be demonstrating how to do a super infusion. Supplies you will need include your reclaimed roots tea blend, a large jar with a leak-proof seal, and a measuring spoon and cup. In this demonstration, I am measuring out 4 tablespoons of the morning Nutri-Tea blend. Remember that you can use either cold or hot water for a super infusion. For this video, I am using hot water and have measured out 4 cups using a stainless steel measuring bowl. You can always adjust the herb to water ratio based on your personal preference and strength of tea. Personally, I like to stick with a 1-to-1 ratio. After pouring water over the herbs, fasten the lid and let it sit on the counter until the tea reaches room temperature. Here, we can see that the tea has already started to take on its characteristic color. As the tea begins to cool down, you can periodically shake the jar to fully disperse and incorporate the herbal constituents into the tea, which we will show you next. Once the jar has reached room temperature, place it into the fridge overnight. It is now the next day, and we are demonstrating how to shake the jar to disperse and incorporate the herbal constituents into the tea. This ensures a more nutrient-rich and flavorful tea. As you can see, the tea has taken on a deeper color after several hours of infusing. After super infusing your tea for at least 3 hours, though I like to super infuse my tea for 8 hours, strain the herbs and enjoy your tea for up to 3 days when stored in the fridge.